Well, to everyone that's out there, today is April 17th. And what we're going to do is quickly an overview of the things that have been added to the S3 method. And I'm extremely excited because what I wanted to do was have this update with everyone that's been really focusing on the S3 method, the Freester, which is what we were currently doing. For those that don't know, they currently are having some changes and they are taking longer than expected to update their website. So of course, time is money and we didn't want to have people waiting. What we decided to do was have people join the 100K, which I'm going to briefly speak about today. And what I love about it is just really in addition to the things that we're going to be doing with the mastermind and the S3 method. So it's not going to just consist of one way to earn, but multiple strategies on how to earn online consistently. Because those that don't know, you need multiple streams of income in order to be successful online. Okay, most 6-figure and 7-figure earners online they have more than one business, okay? Because things slow down, things happen. Sometimes businesses get a facelift, as you may call it, and they may not always work in your favor. Not only that, there's so many great programs out there that work. Why stay just connected to one if there's multiple programs that are working that you can actually learn from and grow with? So with that said, is we've added some more stuff to the S3 method just so that people have something to look forward to while they're updating the site. And people keep asking me, is Freester no longer around? It's not called Freester anymore. What they did was they connected with other different companies where you can do product testing, okay, and you can still earn with that. So if you are not in the S3 prospecting group, you need to get there because people are still earning daily and it's still a great program to be a part of. And I want people to really understand what to expect. There is a slowdown, but it's for things to pick back up for the long term, for the long haul. So with that said, I'm going to just give you guys some information about the 100K, which is what we're currently working on, and also give people an opportunity to ask any questions that they may have about where we're heading and what it is that we're doing. We currently have the mastermind where we meet every single day, Monday through Friday, and we're going over the different sources and tools that I use in order to build my business daily. For those that don't know, I currently earn 6 figures with working online, and I do it spending less than 8 hours a week. And I'm showing people just how to be consistent and do things that the average person can do online, okay? Something that anyone can do. You just have to have a little bit of computer skills, but for the most part, we show you everything literally step by step. So I'm going to go here to my share screen. And what I want to do is pull up the 100K so you guys can have an idea. People are asking me like, well, what is this all about and how does it work? And what I love is the concept of it, okay? The owners, the people, the creators of the 100K came up with a brilliant way to earn without having to recruit or market. And honestly, I wish this was something I thought of doing. So what they're doing is with Walmart and Amazon, they have an affiliate portion with the 100K, and for each person that's a member that purchases from Amazon or Walmart, we get a portion of that money that we can pump into ongoing traffic. And what they're doing is using that money to build your business, to build your downline so you are earning consistently online without having to recruit or sponsor. They are doing the heavy lifting for you. So what you have to do is shop online through Amazon or Walmart just once a month and spend at least $10. And then a portion of that money is going into our advertising budget where the operators of the 100K is taking that money and pumping it into massive traffic. I believe they started out with like $20,000 to $30,000 in an advertising budget for our team. So once you come in, All you have to do is click here or here, make your one purchase per month. You get a landing page with your link for you to share the opportunity if you want to. You don't have to, but if you know people that want to be involved with an online business like this, where they don't have to recruit and sponsor, they're able to do so, and then you start earning. So here you get access to the Facebook group. You do not need to be a member in order to access the Facebook group. If you want to just take a look around, you can do that by clicking here. And then if you want to access the system, you can click that. And what it does is it gives you your landing page, your sales page, your referral page, and then you have your login page, okay? So what I'm gonna do is log into my matrix by just clicking here. And when I log into my matrix, right now I've earned so far $465, and that's really not the beauty of this. The $465 is residual income. So you're earning whatever you see here is what you're going to be earning every single month that you are in the program, okay? And they've launched, there've only been 7 days since they launched, okay? The other thing is I shop a lot on Amazon. So I purchased like $800 in Amazon products over the last 7 days, and a portion of that went into the traffic for our entire team. So that's extremely exciting as well, to be able to take money that you'll spend on a daily basis or on a regular basis, whether it's grocery shopping through Walmart or purchasing something on Amazon, and you're pumping that money right into traffic for your team, okay? And then it basically tells you how many referrals you have, who's your sponsor, and there's a lot of stuff back here, okay? So it tells you daily how much you've earned, and then you have your promotional link here. And what they do is when you come in, if you even want to be a part of the 100K, they have Hangouts, I think twice a week, and they have one coming up tomorrow. They can show you the breakdown of how much you'll be earning within the next 4 to 6 months. Of course, there's no guarantees, but what they have put together is a program that's going to help a lot of people and make a lot of people successful just by getting plugged in and making your one purchase per month, okay? So that's really exciting about this. And I'm excited that they have this because, you know, the person that we have a gentleman that's been in Freester for 5 years, and he was doing very well with Freester. And with the changes, things slowed down, and he created something very similar that we can do where we can earn. And he's been in the business for a very long time. He has a lot of knowledge about marketing, recruiting, and how to help people to earn without having to recruit and sponsor. That's one of the things that he specializes in. So I'm just excited to be a part of his team, and we're going to just keep building and building until, you know, Freester is back up and running the way that it was before, and that they tweaked their site completely and everything is back up and running. So the other thing I wanted to show you here is access to the Facebook group. And this is the Facebook group for the 100K. So it's 100K Club. If you want to search the group, 100 and just K and then club, and then the information will come up for their group, okay? So learn how to earn 100K without selling or recruiting. And currently they have 809 members here in the group. And like I said, it's launched, it's only been 1 week. And we have people that are getting payments already with this program. So they're showing their payouts. Not only that, here, some of the discounts that they're getting by utilizing the 100K, because there's other discounts that you can get. Here, this gentleman got a discount through Advance Auto. We have here Danielle, she put up her payout. Maria put up hers, and it keeps going. So there's a lot of information we have here. Cheryl, who just started not too long ago, she started with 27 and 30 and then 33. Her numbers are going up, as you can see. And that's what it's all about. It's about consistently earning online and finding out how to do it the easiest way possible. So this is a really great group. And there's a lot to learn from, and there's also a lot of information here that can help you to grow your business. Not only that, they do have a marketing part where they show you how to market on a budget. For those that would like to incorporate marketing, they have different strategies that anyone can use that's either free or affordable for the average person, okay? So you can go in and just check this group out. Here is Eugene Mosley. He's at $81. We have Scott, he put up his proof, and then the list keeps going on, okay? And what I want people to do is just really take advantage and know that this is a long-term project, okay? Long-term project. So what Maurice does is break down how long it's going to take you to start earning a full-time income and where you should be within the next 90 to 120 days utilizing this platform consistently, okay? So that's basically what this is all about. So if you want to, you can definitely go take a look. Anyone have any questions?
I just
Hey, Andre, how are you?
good, good.
That's good.
Like I know for me, like by my work schedule, I can't. Are you gonna have like replays where we can watch the mastermind training?
Yes, are you already in the mastermind?
You know what? I don't really know to tell you, but you
Okay.
see, I've been doing my YouTube videos and stuff. So, and I got
Okay,
my
if you're in a chat room, that means that you're in the mastermind. The
Oh,
mastermind
okay,
is in the Facebook chat. You have to be a part of the Facebook chat room, and all of those meetings that we have daily are recorded. Okay, they're
okay,
recorded, and you can go either to my channel or back to the chat room, the messenger chat room, to get those replays because they're posted there every day or at least every other day.
oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Anything else? Annette, do you have to be in a mastermind first? No, you do not need to be in a mastermind, okay? The mastermind is actually, we're full at the moment. We're going to be having new enrollees every 90 days. And there's some things that you need to do that is mandatory in order to be a part of the mastermind. So you don't have to be in a mastermind. It's something different. What we're doing is we're building the S3 method, which is going to include other product testing programs. It's going to include other ways to earn without recruiting. And then we also, in addition, we have the mastermind for people that want to learn how to generate traffic consistently. And that is a commitment for at least 90 to 120 days, okay? For the requirements to be a part of the mastermind, what you need to do is send me a message. And once you send me that message, I will send you the video, okay? So it takes about 3 to 5 days to set up everything that you need for the mastermind, and it will be included in that video once you request it, okay? No problem. Any other questions? And what I would love for everyone to do is once this video is posted to the S3 Method group, Facebook group, if everyone can just go into the comment section and post information about this meeting, what they've gotten from it. I just want to help encourage other people that are in the group to go back and watch these Hangouts because we have like 400 members in the group, but as you can see, we don't have that many people on the Hangout. So what I would love for everyone to do is to just please go into the comment section for these videos so that those that are working or have family duties, obligations, cooking dinner, shopping, laundry, they can actually come back to these videos and take a look so that they can stay plugged in into what's going on. And the way that they'll do that is by seeing the recording of the video at the top of our group and see that other people have made a comment. So it makes them curious about what we discussed tonight. So I would really appreciate that. Is there any other questions, guys? Okay, so we're gonna leave it at that. I'm hoping for more. One thing what I did notice is with the product testing site that we have now that the numbers are going up for the amount of $1 transactions that we're getting to in order to get to be in profit consistently with the product testing program. So that's a plus. I'm just hoping that it continues to rise and that we start to see more and more of those $1 transactions, because that means that they are close to fixing everything that they need to, and that the numbers keep on increasing. That means we're going to get paid more money. So that's a plus, and I'm hoping to have more information within another week or two, just giving you guys an update on what's going on with the new product testing site. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up because we have our mastermind, which actually starts in 4 more minutes. So we're going to wrap it up, guys, and I will see you guys next week. Have a good night.